So one thing that you might not realize is that many of the playthings in this box last a lot longer than just the period of when you received the box. So your child is changing and evolving. In some ways, they may not even master the material or the toy during the age band that you get the box, but they have experiences exploring and discovering, the item, and then they can eventually get that the ball in the hole in the next age band. Other materials are ways for babies to explore right away, but then they learn new things when they're exploring the item later. For example, the soft book that comes in the charmer then can become a family photo album, and your baby will really love it at 1 and even 2 to be able to go back to those familiar family faces in the soft book. So there's a lot of different extensions for how to play on our blog at lovevery.com.